Hey, hello. Today I'll be showing you how to remove data easily from your computer because most of the time when you manually delete a game from your desktop, it just deletes the icon. Then you have to find it on whatever your download is and it's annoying. But with Space Sniffer it takes seconds. So I should warn you to always know what you are deleting. Don't delete your System32 as example. Myself and Space Sniffer shall not be held accountable if you end up deleting your whole computer system. Oh, by the way, what you're seeing on the screen right now is I couldn't find like a reliable website to download Space Sniffer, so I just decided to make a Discord with Space Sniffer in it because I got the Nitro, like Discord Nitro, so I can just put it on Discord because it's not too big of a file. So yeah, the link of the Discord is in the description. So what you see on screen right now is me just uh then showing me downloading it to prove to you it's not some shitty scam like the other websites. So yeah, you choose your data file. Like me, I choose D because it's in the head and I needed to download games because I am a fellow gamer, you know. So I have two screens, so I just shove it in my other screen most of the time when I need it. I don't know what I was doing here. I was trying to yeah. So now you find why you want to delete your stuff. Like I don't want to delete anything here. So yeah, you can see the files are pretty big. So I'm looking at what can I delete, like a game I didn't use for over a year or something. I'm planning on playing GTA, but I didn't play Half-Life Alyx in a good 2 years. So yeah, I can just decide to delete it. Yes, and it's gone. I hardly even play Team Fortress 2, so yeah, I can also delete this one. And now it's gone. Yeah, it's getting boring. So now you can see you've liberated some space, but sometimes doesn't delete it properly, so you'll have to manually go in your trash bin and delete it. I was checking if it wasn't a file like my save file with some multiplayer game, so it's all good. So here you go, it's gone. You have liberated data on your computer, and yeah, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.